Hey followers, so today I'm going to be showing you 2 ways to use CharcoCaps. So the first way is teeth whitening. So I use toothpaste, a toothbrush, and CharcoCaps. You get 1 cap out, well, 2. And so this how it looks. You break it, the capsule down, and then you put some toothpaste in it. So you mix it, the charcoal and the toothpaste, and it comes out looking like this. So next step I do is make a mask. So this is my charcoal from my mask. I add some glue, and this is how it looks after you mix it up. So mix the 2 products together, and I put on the charcoal teeth whitening before I put on my mask, just for time management. Okay, and here goes it. So I just rinse my mouth out, and this is how it looks. So my mask is ready. So let me start peeling. And you always want to peel from the bottom. In case my skin is irritated. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.